Now first up, we have the remote control micro Chinook Cargo 3-channel RC Helicopter, retailing for $48, but on sale at BudK for $29.99. It's finally here, a remote control helicopter you can fly inside your house. This RC Cargo Chinook Helicopter is perfect for flying inside with its included precision control. You can go up, down, left, and right, and you'll never crash into anything with this bad boy. It's even rechargeable with up to 10 continuous minutes of flight on a 30-minute charger. Jimmy from Vermont says another great quality item BudK offers, one of the easier to fly RC helicopters.